How to add payment method on Shopify. But before that, if you don't know what is Shopify, it is a leading e-commerce platform that enables individuals and businesses to create and manage their own online stores with ease, in which it provides a user-friendly interface and a wide range of customizable templates, making it accessible to users with little to no technical background. And Shopify also offers features such as secure payment processing, inventory management, marketing tools, and integration with various sales channels. So now to create an account, just click the Start Free Trial button below here and start logging in your account. Then you will be directed on this homepage of Shopify. And now to start adding a payment method, it will show you on the left side panel here some of the options to navigate. And under this homepage, it is also including to set up your account, this add a payment provider. And now to start doing or adding the payment method, just click the settings button below here. Upon doing so, it will show you once again a variety of options to choose from and just click the payments option to proceed. And after that, you will be directed in here where you can choose either payment providers or add a payment method. But by starting to choose these payment providers right here, you will be able to be directed on the page where it will show you a variety of payment providers we have here. Way, Tap Payments, Stripe, and many more. And let's say we're going to choose the Stripe. By clicking on it, it will show us in here that we simply need to sign in our Stripe account to link in our Shopify store, such as by entering your email address and your password. And after that, you should be able to be directed on a page where you've been successfully connect or link your Stripe in here. You could also choose the Stop Payments by clicking on it. As you can see, you also need to install an application. By clicking the install button right here, you can enable the tap payments as your payment method. Moving on under this payment methods, by clicking this one, you will be directed in here where you can search by payment method or even search by provider in here. And now aside from any of these options, you could also start linking your PayPal account in here that you prefer. Where all you need to do is simply log in or sign in your PayPal account to start linking in here on your Shopify store. So just click this complete setup to proceed logging in or signing in your PayPal account. And aside from those two options, you could also choose here this manual payment methods where you can enter manually. And now let's proceed by adding the payment methods in here under choose a provider, in which from here I'm going to choose the tap payments in order to navigate or enable the Apple Pay, Visa card, American Express, and many more. And after that, just click the install button once again, and upon clicking on it, you'll automatically be directed on this page. However, as you can see, this app is not compatible with your store. So basically, we can start choosing other kind of payment method since it is not compatible in our own store in here on Shopify. So just go again to the payment section and simply click or choose a provider in here. And let's say in any of this option, I'm going to choose this add the end payments so that we can accept a credit cards and just click the install button to proceed. And upon doing so, we'll automatically be directed again on this page and just click the install button to proceed. And upon installing it, you'll be able to be directed on this page and it will show you that you need to choose your account. And I'm choosing test account and get started to proceed. Upon doing so, you'll be directed in here where you simply need to log in your Adyen account. So just simply enter here your username and also your password to start. And after signing in your Adyen account, you'll automatically be directed on the page of payment section where it will show you that you have now successfully connect or add your payment methods in here. So again, in choosing the payment methods, you have here a variety of options to choose from, such as by payment providers, and by choosing this payment method in here. Or you can add a variety of options such as Visa, for example, MasterCard, American Express, that you also need to link your account by entering the details of it. And overall, that is just basically how to add payment method on Shopify.